There are lots of ways to enjoy a caravan adventure. Just getting away from it all and putting your feet up is enough for some. Then there are others who truly want to use their home away from home to deliver them a life experience that they just can't get living in suburbia. Now, it's taken me a couple of cruisy days to get here, stopping in Bundy along the way, which is, of course, the great joy of towing your home behind you. The F word, people: freedom. Freedom to go and do what you want to do when you want to do it. But I've finally arrived at my destination with my Jayco Journey Outback, a van which is perfectly designed for this type of trip. I'm dropping the pick at the Barra Crab Caravan Park in Clairview, about 100 k's south of the sugarcane town of Mackay on the North Queensland coast. And as the name suggests, they like their seafood up this way. A cold beer and a look around with the park's manager, who reckons that BarraCrab is heaven on earth.
Julie and Russell will be your very warm and welcoming hosts when you come here to BarraCrab. Tell me a bit about living in Clairview. What's it like?
This is a view from our office every day.
Pretty good, isn't it?
It's absolutely amazing. We've got camping grounds, unpowered sites, powered sites, units, a shop that we stock everything. If we don't stock it, you ask us and we'll get it for you.
Sure.
We've got a bar, as you can see, magnificent. Everyone's cruisy when they come here. They're all on holiday, so it's great.
It's the most magnificent stretch of water here, and the tides are amazing. It's a really unique place, isn't it?
Yep, it is.
The beer is
Come
cold,
and see us.
and the welcome will be warm.
Yes, very.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks,
Thank
Dale.
you.
My Jayco Journey takes pride of place on this site, only metres from the ocean. The model comes complete with ensuite and a shower, making me completely self-sufficient on this trip. Aircon, twin beds, designer kitchen, and all the mod cons for easy living. The really eye-catching thing about this place is its proximity to water. I'm snuggled up right next to the Coral Sea. Now, with all of this water around me and a name like Barra Crab Caravan Park, you reckon there'd be a local fisherman or crabber about who'd be keen to show me around. Enter Bill and his mate Shoey. Shoey by name and Shoey by nature.
G'day, I'm Shoey. This is Bill. Welcome to North Queensland, Barra Crab Clairview, just south of Mackay. We're going to take you along today, hopefully get some nice big crabs, some barra, and do some decent fishing and show you what it's all about, and show you how easy it can be to have a good day out in the water.
Shoey is in the process of offering tours through the Barra Crab Caravan Park to people who might want to spend a bit of time with him having some fun in the North Queensland sun. And it's looking like some time spent with these guys might be a good investment. We've snared plenty of big legal bucks today, and it's a good bet that this afternoon's sunset will look and taste even better back at the park with a mud crab claw in one hand and a cold beer in the other.
From where you're camping to the action as such, we're talking about the crabbing and fishing and everything like that. And even if you don't have a boat, fishing off the beach, you can catch some beautiful fish. You can even catch crab off the beach. It's right there at your doorstep. A lot of people, a lot of locals come down, so it's a good area for you to camp for the night or for the week, and there's plenty to do.
The Barra Crab Caravan Park is at Clairview on the Bruce Highway, just past St Lawrence if you're heading north. If you stay 7 nights, they'll only charge you for 6. When booking your stay, book a tour with Shoey for a fun and educational day out on the water. And if you'd like to see more of the Jayco Journey Outback or any of the other vans in the Jayco range, head along to brisbanecamperland.com.au.